This is two Temple Place. I've been in this building before. This here is the first generation Ecodisc. And there's one of the exits which is through a spooky basement. Really spooky. I can't see the light switch. I'm going to have to call the lift back down so I can have some light. The sticker showing the code for that door. Wow, 噚oyds have closed their flagship. I wasn't expecting that. The temple is a labyrinth of locked doors which changes all the time. Every time I come back here, they've added a lock here and moved a lock there. There's some new construction works going on at point X, and point Y is now a car park or something. Quite a few times I got lost here. This building is not actually Open House London, but what they've done is they have in a rather miserly way, they have capitalised on Open House London by opening it up to people, and then you have to pay an admission charge. But they don't let you discover that until you've got in. There's a queue. Rather mean. This is Temple Church. They hardly ever seem to open it. And when they do, often they charge for admission. The company that owns all these buildings is really wealthy, and yet they still charge for admission to a church. And this is brazen. And this is awesome old express. This is awesome. All the inside buttons have been replaced. They've been replaced by Express. It says Express, Smith, Major and Stevens. It mentions Smith, Major and Stevens. That must be so old. Sounds quite roughly, but right on the mark. We are in German Gray's Inn. Cancels the call when you push it open. Very simple logic. Might be the original 30s logic. What is this? Is this from indicator. Wow. There's a building, and it is also an old express lift. This one's got the original button. The logic is so simplistic that if you push, look what happens when I push this button. When I push the first button, it just does that. That's so weird. So the button was probably already at. It's using the door close button. Use the door close. And then just drop button which doesn't work. Otis, but this is weird, there's an up button, but look, that doesn't make sense. Oh, it's a dumbwaiter. Original 1940s Otis dumbwaiter. Please do not use flash photography, as it can change the colour of the woodwork. There's also a platform lift, which is because the other two lifts are too small to adhere to disability access regulations. It's actually probably quite lucky that they're that small, because if they were any bigger, they'd probably have modernised them to adhere to disability regulations, but they're so small that if they modernised them, they wouldn't adhere to access regulations anyway.